Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Surah Imran, Part-2. For the sake of understanding, we divided this surah into 4 main sections. First 2 sections were covered in Part-1. In this part, we'll cover the remaining 2 sections. Verses 102 to 108, Allah gives the following commandments to the believers. Be mindful of Allah. Die in a state of full submission to Allah. Hold firmly to the rope of Allah. And do not be divided. There should always be a group among you who enjoins good and forbids evil, and do not split into sects. On the day of judgment, the believers will have joyful faces, while the disbelievers' faces will be darkened. Allah says, Muslims are the best community ever raised for humanity, whose responsibility is to enjoin good, forbid evil, and believe in Allah. Believers are advised not to associate with those disbelievers who can harm them. Allah mentions briefly about the Battle of Badr and that He supported Muslims with angels. Muslims are warned against consuming interest. Believers are encouraged to hasten towards forgiveness and paradise. Allah reassures Muslims not to falter or grieve the sufferings and injuries inflicted during Uhud. Muslims will have upper hand if they are true believers. Allah emphasizes that the believers will have to go through tests to enter into paradise. Allah says, the Prophet ﷺ is no more than a messenger. Muslims should not regress into disbelief if he dies. Allah rewards those who stay steadfast. The defeat at Uhud was due to some Muslims disobeyed the commands of the Prophet ﷺ. Allah emphasizes that the death is inevitable. It will approach even if someone stays at the comforts of their homes. The Prophet ﷺ is kind and merciful to the believers, and that is one of the reasons people followed him. Allah asked Prophet ﷺ to pardon the believers, consult with them in the matters. Once a decision is made, then stay steadfast. Allah has done a great favor to the believers by raising Prophet ﷺ as a messenger. Verses 189 to 200, there are many signs in the universe to ponder for those who reason. The attributes of righteous people are they remember Allah, standing, sitting, and lying on their sides, reflect on the creation of heavens and earth, pray and glorify Allah, believed in the true caller, which is Prophet ﷺ, ask for forgiveness of sins and misdeeds, make dua to die as one of the virtuous. Allah says, He answers the prayers and rewards to those who do good deeds, regardless of male or female. Allah says, do not be deceived by the prosperity of the disbelievers. It is only a brief enjoyment. Allah says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu isbiru wa sabiru wa rabitu wattaqullaha la'allakum tuflihun. In this last ayah, Allah advises believers to patiently endure, persevere, stand on God, and be mindful of Allah to be successful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.